we are starting our vlog in the evening. We just got back from the airport. We just dropped off Joel's parents. If you did not see our trip to Texas, I will put that video in the description for you. What we did was, on our way down, we brought a trailer full of stuff and went straight to the airport. Now we are going to empty our trailer because we've got to fill this again. This is our very last week and we've got to get everything out. So we've got to go home with an empty trailer. When I hauled this trailer, someone left a comment saying that the Suburban was squatting. And I just thought, squatting where, sir? Please show me a video of your trailer and, we'll see.
Yeah, whether it's the auto lift or the sway control stabilizer, it was squatting though.
I'm sorry, we may have taken offense to that, a tiny bit.
Call my kids idiots or something instead.
Don't say that.
Trailer expertise.
Okay, plus we are at the end of a big week. A big day. Travel days, I don't know what it is, but travel days are really exhausting. I can't even begin to tell you how overwhelmed I feel knowing that I've got dirty clothes to unpack, a vlog to edit, and just the rest of packing. And our Suburban got a flat tire, and so tomorrow I'm going to be taking it in. It's just like, I just feel like there's not enough time in the day. There is, but like my energy is really low right now and I'm just, kids are in school, laundry is going. I packed a few boxes this morning. I got tomorrow's vlog done. I already had my break done for the day, so I'm doing good, guys. I hate that I have to pause, but here's what the plan is. I had my nails off and I've had them off for, I don't know, like a week or two or something, because I just didn't want to have my nails done and then try to move. But I have a photo shoot. It was supposed to be tomorrow and there's just no way. I thought we were gonna be a little more ahead than we are, but we're not. That was optimistic thinking. So I rescheduled my photo shoot for next week. It's a Christmas photo shoot. And so I am not going to not have my nails done. So I'm gonna take a pause. I'm gonna go get my nails done and hopefully I don't break them before the photo shoot. Thanks for coming to pick me up. My Suburban has a flat tire, so I had to go drop it off. I got a little bit of work done while I was sitting there waiting for you.
Oh, nice.
Joel came home a little bit early. What do you think of the long nails, Joel?
I'm thrilled they're back, actually. That was the first thing I noticed when you got in the car.
I know, Joel's on the phone, he goes, ooh.
Right.
Bad timing, but I'll just try real hard not to break them.
Don't break one.
Okay.
Just don't pick anything up. Just tell me what to do.
Let's go home and move some stuff.
Move our crap.
Yeah. It is getting really difficult to move our stuff with boxes being delivered to this house still. However, this package I'm welcoming. I'm welcoming this package. Let me show you. Even though Christmas is a few months away, I am not one to procrastinate, especially where I have an extra person that I am providing Christmas for. You guys know who I'm talking about. She calls me every day. And when I tell you that when I thought of this, I was just like, she's going to love it. If you guys don't know who I'm talking about, go to the comments, they'll tell you because it should be obvious. Okay, wrong way. She is going to die. She is going to die. I'm so thrilled. Okay, these are Mary Bells, and if you watch our family Christmas vlogs, you know we love Mary Bells. It comes with a DVD that you can watch, and you each get a color of bell, and you watch the DVD up on your TV screen, and it tells you when to do your bell, and you sound like a full-blown orchestra. And even if you don't, kids flipping love it. And when I say kids, I mean every adult will be stealing their kids' bells. And I only say that out of personal experience because Joel, tell them who likes Mary Bells more, us or the kids.
Well, you give the kids their time, put them to bed, and then it's adult time.
Yeah. It's so true. Okay, I still have my code from last year. I emailed them once I remembered the what I wanted to get. I emailed them and I was like, hey, I had a discount code with you guys. Can I still use that code and get my own set? And they're like, yes, of course. So I got a set and I will put the discount code in the description for you. They also have different CDs that you can get, but it comes with one, so you really don't need these unless you're like, no, I need the other ones. So I will put a link in, a link in the description for you guys with my discount code. And if you use them at your family Christmas party, you better be tagging me in a story on Instagram because I want to see you guys using your Mary Bells. Okay.
Get your Mary Bells on.
Get your Mary Bells on. We just loaded up the trailer, the truck, and the Suburban, and I'm sitting here waiting for Joel. And I'm just watching my house, and I just cannot believe that it's not mine anymore. As of maybe 2 days from now when we sign the papers. But it's 7 o'clock at night. We just got done moving the entire cold room. And holy moly.
That was not fun.
No, we are all so tired and we are going to go unload it now. So as much as I don't want to, it would be silly if we didn't. It'll just put us behind if we don't. So we're going to go unload, and someone brought us pizza tonight. One of our neighbors brought us pizza. So we'll come home and have some pizza and then go to bed. Same clothes as yesterday. Got home at 10:15 from packing and unpacking last night. Woke up at 5:45 to go to early morning piano lessons. Packing again today. Here we go. So I finally caved into reality. I haven't packed my kitchen this week yet because I was gonna cook all week so that we could still have healthy meals before we moved out. Ask me how many healthy meals I cooked. Every night this week I was like, Joe, I'm so sorry I didn't get to like making a dinner. And of course he was really understanding and was just like, of course you didn't. You've been packing and you've been, you know, getting things ready for us to not live here anymore. And yeah, reality has sunk in and I am now packing my kitchen. I feel like I hit a plateau with packing, my morale, and the kids all got home from school. Joel texted me and was like, I know I was supposed to be home early today to like finish up some things that I needed help packing with. And he's like, I'm not gonna be home because we've been working on whatever he's working on. He's like, I chewed through this drill bit. He's like, I'd really like for you to go pick one up for me, because he wasn't going to be here in time to pick it up and he needs it first thing in the morning. So I went and picked this up for Joel. And the thought of Joel working really hard out in the property, it's the weather. I mean, it is freezing. You can't even see the top part of the mountain because of all the, you know, weather. And if Joel is going to be working hard, I cannot expect him to come home and do more work that I could be doing right now. So I am going to take a deep breath and I'm going to just keep doing the work, even though I really don't want to. But knowing that he's out there in the cold working really hard, I'm like, all right, Bonnie, just do it. Just do it. We sold our dressers a little while ago and I, you know, currently have whatever was in my dresser in garbage sacks. So cute. But it works, you know, it works. And then I sold my dresser. So no dresser over there. Thank you, kids. Did you guys just get done doing laundry? So here's how I have my kids do laundry. They sort them and they put them on whoever's bed they belong to.
But if it's ours, we just put it in our room.
Yep. And they usually will fold and put away their clothes.
One of the balls in.
Yes, will you please go put those in the laundry? So they normally will put away their own clothes, and then they put Olivia's on her bed. She'll put hers own away. I will put my own away because you guys haven't, they're a little young to fold, you know, and fold well, so.
We used to fold.
Yeah, you can practice on your own. So you can fold your own clothes and put them away. Yeah?
Yeah,
Except not today because we just shoved them. Because we're gonna throw them all in a box and take them to grandma's in like 2 days. Okay, back to the dryer sheet balls. I don't know if you guys have tried dryer sheet balls. However, I have, and I don't think I'm gonna go back. You use these in place of dryer sheets. What did you do with the dryer balls the first few times you did laundry?
I thought they were garbage, so I threw them away.
Yeah, so he was, you know, he was throwing those bad boys away, and
But you reuse them.
Yep, you reuse them. So when you find them in the laundry, we put them back in the dryer. You wanna go put those back in the dryer? Thank you. Trying to keep up on laundry while the house is just chaos is, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Those dryer sheet balls though, they're awesome. I'll put them in the description for you. You don't need those parts.
Why didn't he give me this one to begin with? This one would have been so much better. The trouble we were running into was because this piece.
Well, take that anyway
So,
and just see.
yeah, because the other one was jacked. We
ruined it.
trashed it.
Okay, well, take that with you, and if you don't end up needing it, then I'll return it for you.
Okay. I guess we're going to get that.
I thought I was going to have the energy to go to the storage unit tonight because the Suburban and the trailer are full.
Mhm.
Thanks to the help of Olivia and the boys, but mostly Olivia because she's somehow stronger than me.
She's Hoellein.
I know, I'm like, well, good for you, honey. Actually good for me because she was such a good help, but I feel like I can't move.
Oh.
We've been up since 5:45. It's now 6 o'clock. I know. So I think we should have some dinner and go to bed. What do you say?
Yes.
Do you want to know why the kids aren't up here talking and, you know, whatever? Because they don't want me to put them to work. They put away like 4 loads of laundry. I washed it and sorted it, you know.
Amazing. Fun.
You are you kidding me? The only reason I'm like pushing myself to keep working is because I'm like, all right, if Joel is out there working, I can do it too.
I wish I could take the work off and just postpone it.
We can't.
But where I've got people out there. It's
Yeah, we
I've got
can't.
people There, and we've got to just keep moving.
Okay, say goodnight, Kevin.